Hello everyone, my name is Bilge. We have already started to adapt our new life with restrictions and law regulations to protect ourselves and our loved ones. In this new normal life, we need some essentials to maintain our hygienity. That's why we offer you automatic hand sanitizer. This product aims to create a contactless life and making people's life healthier because you don't need to touch to operate the dispenser. That's why it is a long-term and safe product. It aesthetically suits in any environment, for instance, shopping malls, schools. Also, you can position it next to doors, elevators, or escalators. Automatic hand sanitizer is the combination of three parts: post, base, and dispenser. Post is made of iron and 60 mm by 80 mm. Total height is 1,325 mm. Base is made of steel and 300 by 320 mm. In order to prevent the product from sliding, it has soft feet under it. The most important part of the stand is the dispenser, which is automatic and battery operated. Dispenser is fixed at a convenient height that everyone can reach easily. It is placed into 1,320 mm. Dispenser holder is made of shatterproof ABS and the dispenser made of PE and PP. Gel capacity is 1 liter and it has a visible liquid window, as you can see. That way you can see the rest of your alcohol or gel. It is recommended for use 75 degrees of alcohol or gel. Effective sensing distance is 5 to 8 cm. It has spray outlet and it provides 1 milliliter per use. Refillment is required approximately 1,000 use. As it is battery operated, all you should do is put your hands underneath. Appropriate amount of hand sanitizer will drop into your hands. Let me show you how you can open the dispenser and install batteries. Dispenser is key operated. This mechanism avoids unnecessary access to your bottle. All you need is one key. Open the dispenser with a key and then press the button over here. It has on and off switch. You can turn it off when it says not in use. Also, refillable bottle is included. You can adjust the spray rate with this button to get more or less alcohol. Here is a battery container. You need 4 batteries. Also, batteries are excluded. Batteries should be 1.5 volt alkaline. Battery life is up to 10,000 cycles. Alternatively, you can use automatic hand sanitizer with an adapter. All you need is adapter and plug it in. You can close it that way. It has LED light alerts by flashing to make you understand that you should replace the batteries. It is easy assemble. Base and post are shipped unassembled, but one person can easily assemble it. It is packed and shipped in one box, which it is suitable for carrier service depending on the region and parcel service. Product's weight is 8.7 kilograms. With packaging, it is 11.2 kilograms. Available in 3 finishes: gray, white, and black. Custom colors available with minimum order quantity. I hope you liked our product. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Stay healthy. Goodbye.